This next Kadazan song, which I wrote and composed, titled BITUAHAI ZONO. BITUAHAI ZONO means sanctified me, make me holy, or separate me to do a special work that you have called me. So these songs I wrote with the lyrics. It talks about what I see the situation of the world, what I think that is totally different. Yesterday and today is totally different, and I wonder, sometimes I got choked to see when I think how we can face tomorrow, because it's not the same, and how our new generations are going to face, because many of our generations today are so easily influenced by the luxurious things that they forget the legacy and are willing even to leave the legacy and the inheritance of our good values for the sake of riches, for the sake of gaining power, and they believe they are willing to leave the good values, the moral values of dignity and honor. They are willing to sell that for the sake of getting popularity, power. And in this song I asked, is there any more leaders who fear God, who are anointed by the Lord to hold on to that dignity, honor, righteousness, and believe as the way our ancestors did? So it is very personal to me, but this is how is it, you know. Humayng na di nauzan na pamusavan ko whenever I observe counsel the situation ko zuzubo the pagunabay no o sadupisubasan is very far different. And opusakan zo mamondom I got choked in kuwan na di maragowang how to face our sinakagonta ko dabay na asabi the ahum, means our generation now is easily being influenced, you know. And it's true, influence, they believe, their faith, they're willing to sell off. The price is so cheap now. For the sake of riches, power, they are willing to even sell their belief, sell their life, even willing to sell their inheritance, you know, for the sake of money and titles. Usin omga is the value. Gatangon tinaw na bay nag-isang kadagang avyo tungkus daw till they sell their inheritance. Just to mamagusa na pinuwabangan, to run after riches, makimama mo'y kay git o kwasa, just to get power, to be in power. So that's a little bit of the meaning of that lyrics, and I hope you enjoy that. This music was in collaboration with my good friend preparing the music arrangement.
Oy tamaza daisula bituahai si koino. Humayng zono om nai kot non nauzan pamusavanku songian zo konsolong ko zuzubo pogun maino osodu pisubasan mantadula di poguhu opusakan so mamuondo ingkodo di monogubang ho sinakagontok kodo balino asabi do ahung usinom ga no digatangon dinauk do baino kisam kadagang abiyo tungkus tau memogusa do pinwavangan tuhau sono mongki mama moy ko igit di do kuasa obusakan so memuondo ingkodo di monogubang ho sinakagontok kodo balino asabi do ahu nombono dingabi tuhun do tongo sundu hukuan to siyo ino bituahan do minamangun obusakan so memuondo ingkodo di monogubang ho sinakagontok kodo balino asabi do ahu